So here she's doing the
Tinting.
brow tinting. So she's just applying on top of the eyebrows, I mean the hair,
Yeah.
so that it's not on the skin much. So
No. Yeah. And it's a medium brown.
it's a medium brown.
And I'm only gonna keep it for 3 minutes because it doesn't want too dark.
So she's only keeping 3 minutes.
Yeah. It depends how long.
Because the
you're
time,
keeping.
the time she keeps according to the darkness you want.
Yeah.
So she does not want much dark, so we're only keeping 3 minutes. So the minute we apply, we start the time.
Yeah.
And those are the lashes. We keep around 10 to 12 minutes.
10, 12 minutes, you're right.
Depends on the thickness of the lash.
Yeah.
And lashes, of course, everybody wants darker.
Yeah.
So
Use a black